Welcome, everybody. My name is Michael, and today we have some good news. Bitcoin, yesterday we made a video saying if we hit over 52,000 and if we hit 54,500, we stand a pretty good chance of hitting 60K. And where are we? Just a few hours after that video started getting a little bit of views, where are we? We hit $55,000, first of all. Second of all, Bitcoin hit over a $1 trillion market cap. Third of all of the cryptocurrencies, right now, Bitcoin is almost at 55,000. Some profit taking, it's at $54,924. All of the market cap for all the cryptocurrencies, of which there are almost 12,500 at this point, is almost $2.3 trillion. Not bad at all. Ethereum's approaching $3,400. And Dogecoin, well, there's been a little bit of news about Dogecoin being accepted at AMC theaters. Gary Gensler from the SEC, he's the head honcho, he's the chairman. He said a ban on cryptocurrency would not be up for the SEC to decide. They're not going to ban it. That's up for Congress to decide. So, take it for what you will, but I guess that's some good news. And besides that, Bitcoin's soaring on rumors that the SEC will approve a Bitcoin ETF potentially in the next 2 weeks. So there's been a lot of whale news where the whales are trying to inspire a Bitcoin ETF. Are they front-running the approval for it? A Bloomberg senior analyst says there's a 75% chance that the SEC will finally approve a Bitcoin futures ETF. While we're very confident Bitcoin futures ETF will be approved very soon, like within the next 2 weeks, we're less than confident they will be a huge hit like a physically backed ETF would be. Big step though, nonetheless. At some point, physical will happen. Timing is just so unclear though. Anyone's guess, probably months or years. There's both multiple reasons that are technical and anecdotal. By the time the SEC makes the announcement, an ETF would be halfway priced in. Rumors of a Bitcoin ETF decision later in the month is spurring further demand. A lot of people are getting super excited right now. And someone just purchased $1.6 billion worth of Bitcoin via market orders in a span of 5 minutes. Short liquidations seem relatively smaller, like $17 million at that time. It's whale buying. I mean, no one's buying billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin within a couple minutes. The crypto fear and greed index tracker, there we go, has been going a little bit green the right way. People are definitely shifting towards long-term bullish sentiment, long-term support. If we're able to stay above $54,000, which we are right now, but if we're able to hit 55, 56, 57,000 rising and stay above $54,000, there's some pretty good support underneath that. And if, 3-4 days pass by, we stand a good chance of potentially hitting $60,000 in the next wave. All it takes at this point is potentially even within the next 2 weeks, we might be looking at surpassing the all-time high of $65,000. If we're able to do that, the sky's the limit, 100K potentially by the end of the year. So short news update, pretty exciting stuff. We haven't been above these levels for a long time, basically, and everybody's excited now. All right, guys, see you tomorrow.